As we gather around to celebrate this beautiful holiday season of Thanksgiving, I want to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you. To my dear friends, your unwavering support and kindness enriched my life in countless ways. Thank you for the laughter, the memories, and the unwavering bond we share. To my esteemed colleagues and co-workers, it's an honor to work alongside such dedicated and talented individuals. Your hard work, creativity, and commitment inspire me daily, and I'm truly thankful for the professional journey we share. This Thanksgiving, I hope your friends, your hearts are as full as my plates. May this time be filled with love, joy, and the abundance of blessings. Happy Thanksgiving to you and your loved ones. Let's continue to cherish these moments and create even more beautiful memories together. Stay safe, stay blessed, and let's look forward to a wonderful holiday season. Happy Thanksgiving.